AI has emerged as a powerful tool in driving energy efficiency and sustainability efforts across various industries. By leveraging advanced algorithms and data analytics, AI enables optimization, predictive modeling, and intelligent decision-making in energy management. One significant application of AI in energy efficiency is smart grid technology. AI algorithms analyze real-time data from smart meters, sensors, and other devices to optimize energy distribution, monitor energy consumption patterns, and detect anomalies. This enables more efficient energy usage, reduces waste, and enhances grid stability. AI also plays a crucial role in predictive maintenance and anomaly detection in energy systems. By continuously monitoring equipment and analyzing sensor data, AI algorithms can detect early signs of equipment failure, identify potential inefficiencies, and enable proactive maintenance. This helps prevent costly breakdowns, extends the lifespan of assets, and improves overall energy system performance. Building automation is another area where AI drives energy efficiency. AI-powered systems can optimize HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning operations based on occupancy patterns, weather forecasts, and energy prices. These systems dynamically adjust settings to minimize energy consumption while maintaining comfortable indoor conditions. Renewable energy integration and management benefit from AI as well. AI algorithms can forecast renewable energy generation, optimize its integration into the grid, and facilitate demand response programs. This ensures efficient utilization of renewable resources and maximizes the integration of clean energy sources. AI also enables intelligent energy analytics. By analyzing historical energy data, AI algorithms identify energy-saving opportunities, recommend efficiency measures, and provide insights for decision-making. This empowers businesses and individuals to make informed choices and implement energy-efficient practices. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into specific AI applications in energy efficiency, exploring topics such as demand-side management, energy optimization in industrial processes, and AI-driven energy auditing. Join us as we uncover the potential of AI in driving a sustainable energy future.